Welcome to a new full body strength workout. This is 10 minutes. We're gonna do each exercise for 40 seconds and then have a 20-second break, and I'll explain the next exercise. Have some dumbbells handy. Having a variety is always good so you can cater the weight to the exercise that you're doing. A chair is only if you want to modify some of the moves. I will show you some of those modifications. Okay, let's get started. So ideally do a bit of a warm up first, move your legs around, do a bit of a walk, just a couple of minutes to just get your body ready for the moves. So our first exercise is going to be the squat or the sit to stands. So most of you know this exercise. You are putting your weight into your heels as you bring your glutes back or your hips back and then come back up. How deep you go into that squat is completely up to you and what you're comfortable with. Even if you go down a little bit, you are still giving those legs a workout. Or you can do the sit to stands where you're in front of the chair, you're sitting down, you're coming back up. You can have your hands at the side as well to help you back up if you do have a hard time with that exercise. So your hardest option is to hold on to dumbbells. So holding onto the dumbbells, coming down, keeping your back flat and coming back up. Ready? So choose your option and let's go. Okay, for the next one, we are doing a wide dumbbell bent over row. So choosing your weight, let me show you what we're doing. You can do this seated or standing. Hips are back, weight is here. You're pulling that weight up and back down. Try to maintain a flat back throughout the move. Okay, 3, 2, 1. One more. Good, so the next one is a dumbbell fly. We're gonna do singles. So standing with your knees soft, so not fully bent. You're bringing one weight up to about shoulder height, down, and then switching to the other side. Okay, so we're just going from one side to the next. And let's go. Breathing out as you lift. One more on each side, and the other side. Okay, if you want, you can hold on to the weights for the next one. It depends where you're at. So feet are wide, we're doing a side lunge. So going down, and then to the other side. Now, if you don't want to use the weight, if you're just starting out, then just going from side to side, putting your weight into your heel as you go down. You can use a chair as well. Let's go. finishing there. Okay, going into our arm work. So hammer to bicep curl. So picking up your weight, we're gonna start having the knees soft, bringing the weight up into a hammer curl, and then going into that bicep curl. Okay, never swinging the arms, always being in control of that weight. Ready, breathing out, and down. One, and then going into our tricep kickbacks. So either sitting down or standing, having your knees soft, bending over a little bit, keeping your back flat, bringing the weight up, your arms stay in this position. It is only the weights that go back and come forward again. So your arms stay flat with your back or close to you, and go. And finishing there. Okay, going into that reverse lunge. Through the reverse lunge, you can use weights if you wish. We're gonna alternate legs. You can use a chair to make it easier if you want to. The easiest way is just sliding the foot back and bringing it up again, going back and down as far as you can. Otherwise, you're just going down and up. Ready? Last one. Good. Okay, lateral to front raise, working the shoulders. Using a lighter weight because this one does get easier or harder. So going up, knees are soft, and then going forward. Deep breath in and out. Let's go. And forward. So just to about shoulder height. And last one going forward. Good. Okay, putting that weight down, going on to core work. So having both arms up, you're bringing the hand down, knee comes up, and going back up. Other side, going down and up. So taking a deep breath in and breathing out. And back in. So trying to concentrate on tightening up the core here. So at this point, you're flexing the core or your abs. So right here, flex. Breathe out. Flex. Flex. One more on each side. Last one. Good. Okay, one more exercise also for the abs. So arms are going to be out. You're bringing the hands down to the knee. Okay, so we'll do that for 20 seconds on one side, then switch to the other side. So arms going up and go. And really thinking about tightening, flexing the abs as that knee comes up. Stretch the back, stretch the leg back a little bit as it goes back as well. One more. Switch to the other side. And that is it. Okay, so you can do 1 set, 2 sets, 3 sets, whatever it is that you want, depending on what your goals are for getting stronger. But even if you add this in every second day, you're definitely gonna get stronger and it's going to be really good for your muscles. All right, let's just do a very quick stretch. So having the hands together, pressing the hands forward, stretching out the upper back. Let's bring the legs into it as well. So pressing one foot back, feeling that stretch in the leg. Switch to the other side with the other leg, hands going back and behind, and stretching out the chest. And standing up, let's just press the hands out to the walls. So push, push, push. Turning the hands over, fingers down towards the floor, and feeling that in the biceps. Bring one arm in front, crossing in front of the body, pull that arm in to feel that in your shoulder. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. Switching to the other side, arm goes in front, pulling that arm in, feeling that in the shoulder. Bring one arm overhead, dropping the hand behind, pulling that elbow back, feeling that in the arms and the triceps. Trying not to push your head forward, you want to keep your head upright. And switching to the other arm. And last one, let's just do a quad stretch. So bringing that foot up. If you can't do that, you can also have your foot on a chair and hopefully you'll feel the stretch that way. You can always bring your foot more forward to feel it more. Now you're gonna feel it more in your hip flexors. So it depends on what you need to get out of that stretch. So bring that foot up if you can. If you want to work on balance, bring that arm up as well. And pulling that leg back enough that you really feel that stretch in your quads in the front of your leg. And switching to the other side, last one. Arm up if you want to work on balance. And that is it. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Please write a comment below and hit that like button if you haven't already. Thanks very much, guys. Bye.